forms. And so out of the 8 classical dance forms, this one originates from the north of India. It's a very graceful dance performance known for its spins, where the performer actually does clockwise and anti-clockwise spins. And there's a world record for a dancer who has done 108 spins per minute. So it's a very fast performance where there's a lot of footwork, there's a lot of spins. Our kids are learning; they won't be able to do 108 spins. The max we have is 4 spins, and they're slow spins. But again, it's a very graceful performance. It's called Kathak. We do have a lot of. If you're interested, you can look up on YouTube a lot of interesting dance formations of Kathak. So I'd like to invite the. So this is older and a little bit of younger kids. So we'll have the third dance performance. So can we have the music for the third performance, please?
शीश नवाऊं हरि चरणन पद शीश झुकाऊं गुरु चरणन पद शीश नवाऊं हरि चरणन पद शीश झुकाऊं हरि और गुरु दो रूप समाना हरि और गुरु दो रूप समाना गहूँ चरण वाके गुण गाऊं गहूँ चरण वाके गुण गाऊं गुरु चरण पर शीश नवाऊं हरि चरणन पर शीश झुकाऊं शिव गुरु विष्णु गुरु ब्रह्मा त्रिमुखी दरस गुरु पाए पखारू त्रिमुखी दरस गुरु पाए पखारू गुरु चरणन पर शीश नवाऊं हरि चरणन पर शीश झुकाऊं नृत्य गीत संगीत बसे मन नृत्य गीत संगीत बसे मन पाऊं दान गुण बलि बलि जाऊं पाऊं दान गुण बलि बलि जाऊं गुरु चरणन पर शीश नवाऊं हरि चरणन पर शीश झुकाऊं ज्ञान ध्यान ब्रिज श्याम ही दीन्ही ज्ञान ध्यान ब्रिज श्याम ही दीन्ही जपो सदा जीवन सुख पाऊं जपो सदा जीवन सुख पाऊं गुरु चरणन पर शीश नवाऊं मुझको